All right, good morning everyone. Okay, so my client today, she got this wig. Let me show you. It's a braided wig, y'all. I'm so excited. This is my first braided wig that I'm gonna be doing. It's so nice. Look at this. Look at the parts. So natural. Okay, so stay tuned. I'm gonna put this wig on her. You guys are gonna see what it's gonna look like. So right now she's doing her treatment. This is actually a scalp treatment because she was just having some dry scalp, and I'm using a dudleys antiseptic scalp treatment on her. And then we're gonna do her deep condition. Her hair is already trimmed, and then we're gonna put this wig on. So this is the scalp and skin antiseptic I use on my client. This product is great for dandruff, dry, itchy scalp. It is a pre-shampoo, so you put it on 10 to 15 minutes before you shampoo. And this is the shampoo and deep condition I use on her. It's Blackberry Coconut by Giovanni. It is absolutely amazing. And I did put her under the dryer for about 25 minutes with her deep condition. So this is her before picture. And look at her hair after. It's treated, deep condition. It was already trimmed, so she is ready to go to put her wig on. We are all about healthy hair care. Now take one more look at this wig. This wig is amazing. Wow, look at those parts. It is so natural looking. Now I'm going to braid my client's hair down. I already oiled her scalp. You want to make sure your hair is moisturized because you're going to be tucking it away, and you want to make sure you have the right moisture. Remember, a healthy hair care. Take care of your hair under your style. Her braids are all done. She is ready to go. I put that stocking cap on to protect her hair, and I want you guys to see how this wig looks. It is so amazing. It has a very nice snug fit. And by the way, if you like this wig, I do have them for sale. So you can put your order through, give me a call, and you can have your first braided wig. Look at this. This is so beautiful. It came out amazing. I laid those baby hairs down. This wig has free parts. You can have a side part, middle part. You can do whatever you want. It is so amazing. I absolutely love it. So if you like what you see, you can go ahead and hit that like, hit that share, hit that subscribe. If I just inspired you to try something new, your first braided wig, go ahead and share this with somebody. Absolutely beautiful. Remember, healthy hair care. Take care of your hair under your style. So I'll see you guys again soon.